Hello, class. Welcome to week 5 of marking period 4. This video in this lesson is for any student in ESOL 4 that is in 9th grade, 10th grade, or 11th grade. If you are a senior, you do not need to watch this video. You need to close out, go either to Google Classroom or My MCPS Classroom and look for the seniors final assignment lesson. Okay, so for 9th, 10th, and 11th graders, this week we are focusing on grammar. When you go into My MCPS Classroom or Google Classroom, you'll click on the first link, which is this video, and then the next item is called Grammar Lesson. When you open that, you will see a one-page Google Doc that has everything you need for this week. Okay, so the first thing you'll see is that you will click on a link to watch a brain pop video on the grammar topic we're doing this week, which is active and passive voice. You'll click on the video, and if it doesn't automatically log you in, we provided the username, which is SpringbrookMD, and the password, which is SpringPop. Then you click in, you're going to watch a short video about the active and passive voice in English, how to form the active and the passive voice. After you watch the video, you will complete a practice sheet. And the practice sheet, I'm going to open it up here for you, is a homework grade. And you will see that you are to rewrite sentences. There's sentences here written in passive voice, and you're going to rewrite them into the active voice. And there's an example done for you, and this will make sense after you watch the video. And then the second part of the practice is the opposite. There are sentences over here written in active voice, and you are going to write them in passive voice in the chart. There's some links here to help you if you need the different tenses of the verb to be, or the list. There's a list of irregular verbs here. Okay. Then you will do some practice on quizzes, and you should be able to click this link and go straight to the quizzes website, which has games, and we made a little practice quiz for you there to practice what you learned. After you've done all that, you will click on the number 2 here, complete the quiz. It's a Google form quiz that you will take to show what you learned. Finally, for this week, check your grades and do any missing assignments. For 9th, 10th, and 11th graders, interims are this week. That means any student who is not on track to pass marking period 4 will receive an interim. If you have any questions, here are the email addresses for me, Ms. Horowitz, and Ms. Tran. Your ESOL, you can reach out to your ESOL 4 teacher to get help on whatever you need or to answer any questions. So this is, kind of your one page where you can find everything you need. When you go to the next slide, if you're wondering, well, how do I turn in my practice sheet? Let me go back. You can turn in your practice sheet 2 ways. It's a Google Doc. So the practice sheet that I just showed you, you can share it with, you can share it up here. There's a share button with me, Ms. Tranner, Ms. Horowitz, your teacher, and we will get it that way. Or you can upload it, and on your place, there'll be a place for you to upload it if you want to do that. Okay. For the quiz, it's a Google form. So you don't have to do anything but take the quiz, and your teacher will get the score automatically. They will receive the score automatically. Okay. Finally, that is it. This is the seniors assignment. So let me go back. You don't need that. Go back. That's it for this week. Don't forget to go to your Zoom class. Your Ms. Horowitz's second period Zoom is on Tuesday, and my Ms. Horowitz and my 5th and 6th period Zooms are on Wednesday. So check my MCPS Classroom for your Zoom time, and click in to attend a Zoom. When you attend a Zoom, we will do the grammar lesson with you, and we'll go over the practice handout with you, and then you'll take the quiz on your own. So it's really important. Come to Zoom if you can, and so that you can get the lesson, the grammar lesson in person live with your teacher. That's it. Have a great week. Bye.